Hey there guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be fixing the bulb, the DRL bulb, which my cousin's saying isn't a DRL, is gone. So let's show you real quick. Okay, so if you come around here, this one is off, and if you come here, this one is on. So what we got to do is undo these two bolts here, take this out from back here and change the bulb, which is in the safety thing. And with a clap, the light's going to be off. Okay. Now the light is off. Those lights is the one that goes here. Just take that off. There's a wire inside, as you can see there. Can you see that, Bills? Nah. Wait, it's right. The wire's right there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
It's right here.
Yeah.
And then you just pull this out.
Yep.
That's the bulb that needs replacing.
Yeah.
So now, just pull this off. That's the old one.
Yep.
Get the new one. Just shove it in there. Wow. Oh, we forgot to turn the light off. Yeah.
Oh.
Because we're here for fun, to learn how to fix cars and enjoy life. Because when I'm in my M140i, rebuilt M140i, guys are going to say, is that Hasnain? He's got Ashcroft. So we just push this back in, make sure it's in securely.
Oh, sorry, recording your chest.
I rip your chest, the Molly West! Shh. Yeah, I think it's in. Alright, now if you go like this, just screw it back on.
Oh, what happened there? Can you explain?
Slipped.
Right, and are these the right tools?
Yeah, because if you look in this, we didn't have the T30.
Right.
So what we're doing is, because there's also the flathead screwdriver bit.
Right, so spin it one time. So why is it slipping?
Huh? It's slipping. Oh. It's slipping because out here, we live the thug life. We live the thug life. We do stuff our own way. You get me?
Yeah. What's these white forces, white socks? I'm working on a dirty car.
Bro, look at the state of these.
What kind of a
tire
it's
not even real
this?
forces. It's what you call it. I forgot what they call. They call retro something.
Night flights.
No. The night flights I had as well. Yeah.
What happened to them?
I gave them to my cousin in Pakistan.
Why?
Because I wore them a few times and I got mad blisters. I got a crazy amount of blisters. Okay, I don't think I've screwed this in properly.
Nice and properly.
Yeah, is it?
Is it getting tighter?
Yeah. Quick.
It's a quick question. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Can you tell me what happened with your AC?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what happened with your AC?
Yeah. Dinner time.
I don't have it.
Okay, we're coming.
What do you mean you don't have an AC?
The starter pack doesn't have it in my car.
Say swear.
So this car has no AC at all.
So you went to
Like,
screw
AC
fix
doesn't
for
exist.
45 minutes. So you went to screw fix for 45 minutes.
You're looking bare sexy though. What do you have to say to that?
Alright, so we did some digging around. I undid the light bulb again. And I took that out. Yeah. And I
What did you do?
pushed it in.
Yeah. Show me that one again. Show me that
you
one
wanna see?
again.
You wanna
Yeah,
see?
go on.
I pushed it in like this. You get me?
Them thumbs are butter still.
Yo, you know what it is? I just ate curry in it. Slightly yellow, but it's minor. Okay, now, bros, if it's not working again.
Oh, it's on.
Huh?
It's on. And it's off. And now it's on. And now it's off. And now it's on. And now it's off.
Yeah! This is a mechanic! This bird poop.
Let's just get a close up of that.
Do you know apparently birds are known as to be the rats of the skies?
And who told you this?
Pigeons.
Who told you this?
Huh?
Oh, pigeons.
Yeah, pigeons. So now we're gonna screw this back in. Don't want to do it too tight because obviously you need to have room for adjustments.
But if you don't do it too tight, doesn't that mean your headlight will move whilst you're driving?
No, but we're gonna tighten it up after. We just have to make sure it's like alignment's good. You just have to make sure the alignment's good first. See? Now this bolt goes in as well. Now we just fully tighten this bolt. And we fully fully tighten this. Obviously, we have to make this shorter, the bills, innit?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good. And now that's good. Okay, now we put the tools. You always put the tools back. Oh.
Oh. Look who we
Has he
got.
fixed it?
Look who we got here. Yeah.
Move, bro. Get off the camera. I don't want to.
Look, it's working right here.
Where did you get the bolt? Where did you get the bolt?
Huh?
Where did you get the bowl from?
The emergency pack that you and Raz bought.
Oh shit.
What do you have to say?
Move, bruv.
What do you have to say?
Don't care.
What do you think of this work done to your car?
It's horror.
Wow. Wow. You know what you look like? You look like I wanna kill my mom.
I wanna kill my dad. Oh.
Alright. So do you have anything else to say?
Yeah, I was gonna show you lots the brake pads.
Right.
But my brother's being kind of wet and I'll give. Oh, where's your phone? You have a phone as well.
Inside.
Oh, that's bare long. Hey, just show me your phone real quick.
Nope.
Stop!
No. You
Bro,
should down first. Move.
Older brothers, you know.
Get the damn mic out of my face.
Older brothers are hella jarring.
Whack it.
Older brothers are hella jarring.
Who you here to meet?
15-year-old girl. And that one panicking. I'm gonna lose my job.
Ayo, and the way we get a quick check of his jorts.
Wow.
Oh, look at them jorts. Them jorts with the slides in the sliders.
Look at the fit. Wow. Oh. Oh. What happened there?
Alright, fat and palumpa.
No, dead the joke. Don't show your kidney bean head, yeah, and then we'll carry on talking, yeah?
My kidney bean head. I don't like that.
Why has he got a triangle at the back of his head right now?
What do you have to say to that? What do you have to say to that?
Don't you have to say real quick?
Oi, Will, stop talking.
Wow.
Okay.
You know Will, the movie?
Wow.
That's the reference.
Okay,
Wow.
no.
If you can give us 10 push-ups right now, I'll run the whole lap around there.
No.
10 push-ups.
I can't even do one.
Alright, one push-up and I'll do 10. I'll do a lap.
No.
So if you feel that the power kicks in about now.
Yep. Yep, someone's crossing.
See those brakes? Those brakes are solid. Oh, we forgot to show them the work we done. See that the power on this car. It's a little 1 litre EcoBoost. Car's quite heavy. Look. The gap. Take the gap.
No,
take the gap.
no.
What's the brakes?
Alright.
See that? No cars coming.
Speak on me.
Thank you, love. Make sure no cars are coming. And then we wig it in. Amazing brakes. No cars coming.
Show them that second gear. Show them that second gear.
Oh, second gear. Look at that. Look how slow. Okay, wait, let's go to about what, 20 miles per hour and show them second gear from 20. Okay, we're at 20 miles per hour, as you can see.
Yeah. Alright.
So the second gear in this car is atrocious. Alright, that's a wrap for this video. This is my baby, what's a good name? Jacqueline!
No,
No.
she looks like a ruby.
Oh, this is a Ruby.
Yeah.
Ruby. A Ruby, she's not cross-eyed anymore,
Yeah.
like some certain man in our family.
Oh.
Bills, you know who I'm talking about?
Can we just get a quick, like, cross-eyed?
No, I'm not cross-eyed, bro. But you know who I'm talking about?
Who are you talking about?
You know who I'm talking about? I can't name names. But when she watches this video, she'll know who I'm talking about.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Yeah, so that's Ruby's done, my baby. First car. Well, that's not my first car. Yeah, but that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, TikTok, like. Make sure you follow, subscribe, like, follow, repost, everything. Comment. Just give me the interactions. Share with your friends, family, girls, boys. Everybody's welcome. We are. Bye.